Bray Wyatt has maintained the utmost silence on what will be his next move. Many are speculating him joining AEW. Some reports state that he's in talks with Impact Wrestling. Now, finally, Wyatt has spoken about his in-ring return, but there's still suspense about his next promotion. For the unversed, Wyatt was released by WWE on July 31st. He has been associated with the company for around 12 years. Being one of the most creative people in the company, Wyatt's release did surprise many, drawing criticism for Vince McMahon and the management. Just a few hours back, Bray Wyatt took to Twitter and shared that he'll be making an in-ring return very soon. He wrote, "Everything will be clear. I'll see you all very soon. Revenge is a confession of pain." Bray Wyatt even congratulated a new WWE champion, Big E. He wrote, "I am late on this, and I wasn't there. But Big E is the type of dude that the boys line up to congratulate. It's a real good look." Replying to his tweet, Big E wrote, "Incredibly sweet of you, my man. Thank you for your kindness.